So, Zayaan and Daddy, what are you going to do today?
The ginormous construction begins cars!
The ginormous constructions vehicle.
Yeah.
And what they're gonna do?
They're gonna build!
They're gonna build.
And I'll get all the buildings. Hello, and walking, we go walking. I'm stuck! Help!
What's happened? Are you stuck on the mud?
Yes!
Oh,
I
no.
need another one! I need another dump truck to help me!
Okay, let me get a little one. Whee! Mine is
sinking.
me. Let me help you. Hold me tight. Oh
Oh,
dear.
what
I
happened?
need still help! I'm nearly drowning under the mud!
I'm coming. Hold on, I'm coming. Pull you out.
It's nearly there. Oh,
Help me! I'm nearly drowning!
Someone else needs to come. I'm coming. I'm gonna help you, buddy. Where are you? Let me go back and try him as well. No, I can't. Let me try you first.
Ah.
Help me! I'm nearly drowning!
No, I'm going to come now.
Oh, what is that?
A crane! I need that crane to help
Let me
me!
see if I can reach you. Let me see if I can reach you. Oh, my crane is not too long. Not enough.
Oh.
Help! I need help still!
Oh no. Let me see if I
Who's
can.
coming next?
Oh, I'm a bit silly. Oh dear.
Oh dear.
Help!
I'm coming.
Help!
I'm the big one.
He's trying to help.
He's trying to help.
Yeah!
He's trying to help one. He's
Aw.
trying to get two. Let's see if he can get another one. Oh no.
Oh.
Help! I'm nearly drowning!
I'm
Help!
coming. Where are you?
Help!
Let me see if I can count. Let me see if I can see. Where are you guys?
I'm
Jenna, pick me up. Hold me.
Yeah.
Nearly there. Nearly. Okay, you rescued the little one. Thank you very much. Okay, let's see if we can rescue another truck. I need some more help. I need some more buddies to come in. Hey, buddies.
Yeah, for all the buddies.
Buddies, can you also come?
Got it!
Yes, we're all gonna come, and we're gonna come and help all of us together.
And the biggest
We're gonna
truck!
work
Oh, the
together.
biggest one now coming. Oh.
They're all coming to help each other out. Do you wanna load these ones? Let's help them. Let's load them one at a time.
And I help this one!
Oh, they're helping each other.
Yeah.
Helping each other is all about helping each other, working together. That's nice. And the little tiny one goes on the top, and everyone's so happy.
Oh, they rescued all of
Yay! What about
them.
him? Yes, I got myself out of it. Wait, let's do a high five, guys. Come on.
Oh.
Oh, you did a good job. Yay.
And the little one!
High five. Yay. High five.
Yay!
Yay. And the high five.
Yay!
Hey guys, what about me? I want a high five.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well done, guys.
Now let's do the puzzle!
Hey, let's put this all together to the garage.
So that they can get fixed. We already done